So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Frigidaire FRSS2323AS ice maker not working, filter, valve and reset. Fix 1 is check temperature and setting. Ideal freezer temperature for ice production is 0° Fahrenheit or -18°C or lower. Warmer temperature will prevent ice formation. Ensure the ice maker switch or wire shut-off arm is in the on position. Second fix is inspect the water supply and filter. Replace overdue water filter to prevent restricted water flow. Ensure the water supply line behind the refrigerator is not kinked or pinched. Verify that the home's water supply valve, typically located behind the fridge, is fully open. Third fix is clear ice blockage and frozen line. Inspect the dispenser queued for ice cube obstructing the flow. Check the ice maker shut-off arm for any blockage. Ensure the water fill tube to the ice maker is not frozen. If the fill tube is frozen, carefully clear it or use a warm damp cloth to melt the ice. Fourth fix is reset the ice maker. Unplug the refrigerator for 5 minutes, then plug it back in. Allow 24 hours for the refrigerator to resume making ice. Turn the on-off switch for 5 seconds, then back on. Then some models may have a reset button. So press and hold for 5 seconds to start a test harvest cycle. Thanks for watching.